He will triple your bride price after eating this soup, and if he has married you before, he will definitely go see your people for the second time. If you ask me, I would say this is one of the healthiest soup anybody can make and consume. The reason being that it has two probiotics items in it. You all know the probiotics food I'm talking about. Number one is Ugba. Remember that Ugba is a fermented food. Likewise, locust beans, which the Yorubas called Iru. With these two combos, you have made yourself the healthiest soup ever.
Oye, oye, el Roy Lucy Kitchen, actívate.
Se siente el calor, vamos a darle sazón. Con la gente mía, pura bendición. La mesa está llena, empieza la función. El Roy Lucy Kitchen. We cook, we eat, we rock. El Roy Lucy Kitchen. De la noche hasta el new block. El Roy Lucy Kitchen. We cook, we eat, we rock. El Roy Lucy Kitchen. Hasta que salga el sol.
So I used to suffer from savior mentality, where I used to think it's my responsibility to take care of everybody around me. The only problem though is I'm not a savior. Some of you are carrying financial burdens, emotional weight, physical weight, psychological weight because you think you can save everybody. A savior mentality is when someone is drinking and smoking themselves to death and you feel like it's your responsibility to change them. Say, don't worry, I will change him. Those are savior mentality. You think it's you who is supposed to help everybody. I've come to realize that not everyone wants help. You know, I've seen this scenario before. Someone went and registered their brother to go and learn how to do plumbing, and then he finished the plumbing and was never looking for a job or even tried to get, you know, the side gigs to help himself. And he's angry, like, oh, I paid so much money for you to learn this plumbing thing, you know. And the truth is, the person never wanted help. They never wanted you to help them to the point where they can stand on their own. You know, some people want to be comfortable. They don't want solutions. They don't want you to help them beyond the point where they no longer need your help. A savior mentality is when you think, oh, that's my cousin. School fees responsibility is mine. The rent is mine. Their feeding is my responsibility, even though they are not your child. It's a savior mentality, especially if you are from a poor family, okay? Because I'm from a very poor background. There's always, because you've suffered now, like you understand what it means not to have. So you begin to pick responsibilities that will weigh you down. Have you not heard stories where people say, oh, my uncle, he even stayed abroad for 10 years, they came back with nothing. Dad came back empty-handed. For 10 years, he was paying medical bills, he was paying school fees, he was buying clothes, food. Somebody fell from the tree, need, you know, treatment. Those are those little money that you did not gather to build yourself because you feel like, oh, I must save everybody around me, is the reason why eventually they will disrespect you too. You know, and they will even start feeling disappointment. You promised us when you were going abroad that you come and build house so that we can move from this mud house to this other house. And if you dare not do it, even though your intention is right, they will blame you for it. They will even resent you for it. Some of them will even stop talking to you because of that. But is it really their fault though? Or is your fault? Because why do they not have those expectations on themselves? Why is it that you positioned yourself to the point where people have to expect that you will be the one to